Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeremy in Massachusetts. Jeremy, we got you all ready to go on this Stryker 955 HPC Plus model. These things are a beast. I'm going to show you what we got here. We also got the Driver Extreme noise canceling mic. We'll get that through in there for you too. So we'll start with RF power all the way down. Pull these monster slugs out. We recently was doing a $29.95. Alright, so we're going to start with RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. There's your 2 watts. Roll it up. There's 21. Show you average power swing. Hello. 4950 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, hello, hello. About 118 PEP. Jeremy, we'll get this bad boy up to you, match it up with the great antenna, and you'll do great. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.